Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Python Pandas chunking for big CSV files, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Python installed on your system. Next, open your preferred code editor or an integrated development environment, often referred to as an IDE. Begin by importing the Pandas library. If you haven't installed Pandas yet, you can do so using pip in your command line or terminal. Type pip install pandas and hit enter. Now, let's create a Python script for processing a large CSV file. Define the path to your CSV file in a variable. Use the pd.read_CSV function with the chunk size parameter. Set the chunk size to a number that makes sense for your memory capacity, like 1000 or 5000 rows. This will ensure Pandas reads the file in smaller, manageable chunks. Next, loop through each chunk using a for loop. Inside the loop, you can process each chunk as needed. For example, you may want to display the first few rows of each chunk using the head method. You can also perform transformations, aggregations, or any analysis you need on each chunk. After processing a chunk, remember to save results if necessary. You can concatenate results from all chunks if desired, using pd.concat outside of the loop. Make sure to handle any potential exceptions that can arise during file reading and processing. Finally, test your script with a large CSV file to see the chunking in action. This method helps you efficiently work with large data without consuming excessive memory. Now you have a working understanding of how to enable chunking with Pandas for large CSV files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.